In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to view pending connections on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So once you're in linkedin.com, you'll have to head over to My Networks. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page like this. So here, you'll see that you have no pending invitations. So now you can click on Manage, and then you'll be here. So now let's say you've gotten an invitation to follow someone or to connect with someone. You'll get all those invitations here, but in my case I've got a non-invitations, but for you, you may have some invitations. So from there you can accept or reject the invitation. And let's say you have sent someone an invitation, so you can just go to send, and here let's say you have sent to some people, then here it's going to show up the people you sent. There'll be one, if you want to, let's say you want to withdraw the invitation, you don't want to send to that person anymore, there'll be one option of withdraw, so you can just click on that option and your invitation will be successfully withdrawn. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.